Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shocks while handling wiring. Next, raise the front, secure on stands, and remove the right front wheel so you can reach the inner fender. Remove the hood-to-bumper trim and the plastic clips across the bumper top, then take off the under tray by removing about 8 bolts. These steps expose the bumper mounting points so you can get to the clips and screws that hold the bumper cover in place. Work methodically and keep fasteners organized. With liners out, remove the side bolts holding the bumper to the fender and the bolts under the grille. These are usually 10 mm or 12 mm. Disconnect fog lamp and parking light connectors first so wiring stays safe. Now work the bumper cover free by gently prying the retention clips along the top and sides, supporting the cover with one hand to prevent it from falling. Once all fasteners and clips are released, slide the cover forward and off the mounting tabs. Set it aside on soft padding to avoid scratches. Position the new bumper on the mounting tabs and hand thread the corner bolts and top clips so you can adjust alignment before final torque. Reconnect fog and parking light connectors, reinstall the fender liner, splash shield and wheel, then lower the car. Tighten bolts snugly, don't over-tighten, and check hood-to-bumper gaps visually, making small adjustments to brackets if needed. Finally, test all lights and give the bumper a firm push to confirm clips are seated. If alignment is off, loosen fasteners, realign, and retighten.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.